With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi, the question is, a small ball of mass m2 rests on the top of the bigger ball of mass m1 and it is given that m1 is the greater than m2. The center of bigger ball is at the height of 3r above the ground as shown in figure. We can see in the figure also this height is what? 3r above the ground. The ball are dropped from this situation. If the smaller ball bounces at height of this 4 and r from the ground after its first collision with the bigger ball, find n value we have to find. Assume all collision are the elastic. Clear? So n value we have to find. So in this question it is given that this m1 is the greater than this m2 is given. Clear? Now velocity of this m1 block at collision we can find. So m1 at collision, let us consider this is what v1. So this v1 square is equal to, as we know, u square and plus 2as. Clear? This. Now u we have to take 0 because this is dropped from the velocity of u equal to 0. So u equal to 0 we have to take. So from here we can write v1 square is equal to 0 and plus we can take 2 and we can take this. A is equal to what? G, and S is equal to, we can take this is equal to 2r distance from here. Here to here we can see that this is equal to 2r distance. Clear? So we can take this is equal to 2r. So V1 is equal to root under, we can write 4gr. This is what? V1. Clear? Now velocity of m2 we can find. So m2 at collision. So m2 at collision. Clear? Now this is what? Equal to v2. So v2 square we can write, and this is equal to u square and plus we can write 2as we can write. Clear? Now from here we can see that v2 square is equal to, u is also 0 in this case. So this is equal to 0 and 2. A we can take G, and this S is equal to what? Again 2R we can see. Clear? According to this question, again we can see this is M2. M2 cover this distance. Clear? This distance. So this is so equal to, we can see this is equal to 2R. So again we can take 2R here. So this V2 square is equal to, we can see 4GR. This. Now from here we can write V2, and this V2 is equal to root under 4GR. But this V2 we can take minus. Clear? So V1 is in this direction and we can see that V2 is in this direction. So we can take this. V2 we can take minus here. Clear? So this is what? V1 and the V2. Now after collision of the both ball, let us consider velocity is what? We can consider this is equal to v dash we can consider. Clear? After collision. So v dash is equal to, we can apply the collision formula here. This is equal to 2m1 and divided by after collision of the both ball together. So we can write this is equal to 2m1 and divided by, we can write this is what? M1 and plus M2. Clear? And this is what? U1 we can write, and plus M1 minus M2 and divided by, we can write M1 plus M2 into U2 we can write. Clear? This. Now U1 is what? This is the U1 and this is what? U2. This is the U2. So from here, and it is also given that this M1 is the greater than this M2. Clear? So we can neglect this M2 in this case. So V dash is equal to 2 into M1 divided by, we can write this is what? M1 and this is the U1, and plus we can write this is equal to, from here this is actually M2 minus M1 is here. So we can put here m2 minus m1 we can put here. So from here we can see that this is equal to minus m1 and divided by we can write m1, and this is what u2 we can write. Clear? Now from here we can see that this is equal to 2 into u1 minus we can write this is what u2. Clear? Now u1 u2 is what? u1 is equal to, from here we can write u1 is equal to root under 4gr, and u2 is equal to minus 4gr. This. Clear? Now this value we have to put here. So this is equal to v dash is equal to, we can write from here 2 into root under 4gr, and minus we can write minus 4gr is this. Clear? This we can write. Now from here we can write this is equal to 3 root under 4gr. So this is what? V dash. Now we have to find the height. So for height we can see that this is equal to, we have found the velocity of this m1 after collision. This is the velocity of the m2 after collision, v dash. Clear? So we have to find the height. Clear? So this height from here, for height we can use this is equal to, yes, so we can use v square is equal to u square and plus 2ah. We can use this. Clear? For height. So for maximum height this is equal to what? 0, and this u is equal to what? V dash. This is equal to u we can take. So this is this square, so we can write 9 into 4gr and plus 2, and g we can take this, a we can take minus g, a we can take minus g, because we have to find the height. So g is the downward direction, so we can take this minus g, and h we can take. Clear? Now from here we can write this h is equal to 18r. Clear? So this is equal to 18r. So from here we can see that this height is equal to what? 18r and plus 2r. So total height from here we can write this 2r is what? Additional height, because 2r height is already above. So from here this is equal to 18r, means total height we can write h dash is the total height, and this is equal to 18r and plus 2r we can write. Clear? Now from here we can see that this is equal to what? 20r. Now according to question it is given for an r. So from here we can find n value. So n is equal to what? We can see from here 5. Clear? So this is the required answer for this question. Hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.